Today, we're going to record a live session using our Quotex software. Quick reminder, the software is based on historical data and predicts the most likely future outcomes. It also uses a one-step martingale system, meaning it looks for setups where, if the first trade doesn't win, the second one does. We're now starting another session with the team, so let's take every trade. We've already had 4 direct wins and 1 refund. The candle was green, so it should have been a win, but we got a refund. That's fine. We don't use martingale in case of a refund. Let's keep going. Great session so far. 7 wins, mostly direct ones. In our group, we provide sessions like this every day, along with our money management systems and calculators. Feel free to check us out.